are only getting worse out there. This is not good. You think? Of course I do. Now, where are you? Of course things are getting worse out there. The snow isn't stopping at all. It's like not giving up. Come here, get the light on. Look up there. It's all covered. Yeah. Well, I can hear strong gusts out there. Best to get the flashlight. Yeah. Get this. Those strong gusts aren't the worst thing. Well, the snow would be the worst considerable thing. I'm just gonna activate this light now. Put this down. Oh. My goodness. There are huge icicles hanging down. Oh, it snows everywhere. I just activated that by accident. Snow everywhere. Oh, this is not good. There's Buster. I've been here the whole day. The whole day? Buster, you gotta get some air. I'll just get you out here. Buster was in the bedroom the whole day. Oh, really? Why, Buster? I have no idea why he was in the bedroom for the entire day, but that doesn't really matter. This is not good. The lights are beginning to dim. I think our power's about to blow. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh, the wind's really strong. Oh my... Yeah, Frank, I think we should go to the basement. Why are you suggesting that, Wario? Right now. The wind's really strong out there. We're probably gonna either lose power or the roof over our heads any moment now. Wario, the winds aren't even over 35 miles an hour. So how the heck would it blow the roof of our house off? It had to be over 100 miles an hour in order to blow the roof off. And we're on the lowest floor as well. Oh yeah. But still, we'll blow away any handheld stuff like the candy games out there. I mean, it just won't go well. The wind's probably gonna blow everything away. I hope not. But if that does happen, I think it's best that we go out there and stabilize those things. Give them more support. Giving those things extra support's a good idea, I admit. Of course. But, well, I don't think it's gonna get us anywhere. This is safety concerns, Frank. I'm using those as a reference. Oh, okay. Well, we need the lane support. Hang on. I'll get that later support. I'm just gonna get out the latest weather report. Hope it turns out better than I expect. blizzards. Where the heck is the weather page? Oh my... Not 3 a.m. Oh, what? Oh. Snowfall from Saturday morning to this evening. Goes to 10 inches. Roads will be slippery. Oh, dang it. This is gonna affect travel tomorrow. The blizzard's not gonna end until 3 a.m. tomorrow. Well, that can't be good. It means we have an overnight chance of losing power as well. And also, we'll get more accumulations overnight, as it does hit the coldest temperatures by the night. Oh, this just isn't good. This new warning. Oh, you can't be serious. 37 miles an hour? Oh, and it's sustained at 18 miles an hour. That's bad. I need to take a look at this. Oh, so you're right. It's only mean one thing. This isn't a sustained blizzard, but it's still a very strong, blizzard-like condition snowstorm. If it gusts over 35 miles an hour. Oh. It's really cold outside. Lots of snow. I can't believe this is gonna go on till 3 in the morning. Yeah. Oh, the wind's strong out there. It's sustained at 18 miles an hour. It gusts more than double that. I'm really not gonna go through this. Wait a minute. Right. I just got an idea. Oh, what's your idea? If the blizzard's strong here, then what if we were somewhere else? So, we can just evacuate this place for the night. Then come back. Why, we can't do that. Travel conditions are the worst possible here. There are whiteouts, and the roads are full of snow. We're not going to be able to leave. Unless we're traveling by foot. Which is probably going to be a long way. In order to get out of Massachusetts at all, in the snowy region. We're probably going to have to travel a long way by foot. Because there's no way we can drive out there. There's snow all over the roads. And it's still snowing. Visibility is very poor. I mean, you know what's going on out there. Scroll down a bit for the visibility. Like, what? See, 0 mile visibility. There's no way we're gonna be able to make it through out there. Your evacuation plan is not gonna work. We have to stay indoors. And we have to be fine with wherever we are, whether we like it or not. So, screw your plan. Oh, whatever. Thanks for watching this part. If you want the next part, that'll be the next video. Please go there.